Everyone, this is Pandemic Traveller on another beautiful day in the Sydney suburb of Point Piper. I'm going to show you something called Lady Martin's Beach. Let's go have a look. So as you can see, if you didn't know where this place was, you would never find it. Sydney has a lot of sort of little hidden beaches, little gems that most tourists and most people in general could live in Sydney all their lives and never know about unless they actually live in the area. So as you can see, the water's quite calm. You wouldn't really want to come here when the tide's too high, otherwise there'd be no way to get really down here unless you just jumped off into the water from there. But as you can see, it's a really nice view and just a generally lovely place to spend a sunny afternoon in Sydney. Some really beautiful, I hope these waves aren't causing too much of an issue with the sound, but there's not much I can do. So as you can see, there's some really lovely homes here. It would be a really beautiful place to live. Looks like there's a little island there. I'm not actually sure what it's called. I might leave something in the comments below. When I get back, I'll have a Google and find out what it is. So I think I'm going to have a little bit of a sit down and a relax. So I'll turn the camera back on my walk out. So before I go, I'll let you have a little bit of a look at the water and how clear it is, and give you a bit of an idea of how lovely it might be to swim here. So as you can see the bottom of the water. It's really clear. Seems quite shallow at the start. Not too many waves, so if you can't swim very well, I wouldn't worry. But also something just to let you know, there are no lifeguards down here, so you would have to be careful and look after yourself because no one else will. Alright, so I'm going to start heading out. Thanks for watching, everyone. Once again, this is Pandemic Traveller. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments, please leave them in the comments section. Also, if you'd like me to go anywhere and make a video for you, leave a comment. Thanks, everyone. Bye for now.